I'm Dinah Grossman.
And I'm Parker Whiteway. We run Spinning Jay Bakery in Chicago's Humboldt Park neighborhood.
Today, we're going to help you wow your dinner guests with a galette that's simple, delicious, and served with love. A galette is a tart that doesn't have a pan around it, so you can make it on a cookie sheet. It's very free-form, doesn't have to be perfect. A galette is supposed to be rustic. It's going to taste good no matter what it looks like.
I love to use a cast iron skillet for sauteing mushrooms, and you need to make sure that they cook down all the way, that the water gets out, and that develops those complex flavors that really make the dish.
Get your rolling pin ready. It's fine to use something that's pre-made if it makes your life easier, so don't stress out about everything having to be made from scratch every time.
In this modern world, we're getting increasingly just kind of the world coming in at us from every angle, and taking the opportunity to cook for someone and sitting down and eating together. It's kind of one of those last times to sit back and to enjoy someone else's company and enjoy some good food together.